If you want to use the interpreter for Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to click on Galaxy AI right here, and after that you will need to make sure that you're logged into your Samsung account. Otherwise, you will just see a login screen, so just log in or create your account. Then next step is to click on the interpreter right here, and you can adjust the settings. For example, language packs for translation. I recommend to download the pre-download languages that you want to use. So for example, if you're about to travel to Italy, Poland, or whatever country you like, make sure to download that language package so you have it in your backup. Then there's the voice styles. You can change the voice style for each language. If you want to add additional ones, keep in mind that they will also need to be downloaded. You can also switch the speech rate if you want a slower like so. And then we have a tap to talk that we can turn on and off, but we'll talk about that later. And listening mode with auto record when mic is on. Open your saved recordings in voice recorder for transcripts, summaries, and translations. So it will auto record those translations and show them in your recorder that is found right here. Now to actually use it, if we have all of the settings set, we need to swipe down from the top right corner of our screen, swipe down again, and here we have quick access icons. You will need to find the interpreter right here, or if you cannot find it, click on the pen button and then click on edit right there, and in available buttons just drag and drop that icon with interpreter into your quick access. After that, we should be able to open it. So now let's go and click on that, then we can continue. Allow interpreter to record audio. You will need to allow it while using the app, and allow anything else that will pop up. Now what you need to do is select a language that you're speaking right here, and then select the language that other person speaks right here. So for example, I'm gonna pick English right here, and then Polish right here. Now we need to click on the microphone of the other person if someone else is speaking, for example, like this, and then stop.
Na przykład, jak to i.
And we'll get a translation on the bottom. And it works the same way if we start to...
we'll get a translation of button, a network ifs.
If we start to click on this microphone button for our language, it will translate that language to another. So I will say like, cześć, jak się masz?
This Wegisk is Narso of Elsyke. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, so the first one was the English, and that's why it translated it wrong, but that's exactly how you can use that option. So that is basically everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.